front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by looking for an app called Recorder that's already on your Motorola device. When you find it and access it, hit allow and allow while using in all available pop-ups, and then use this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, hit the same red button. You can also click on this icon at the top right corner and follow all of those instructions to enable parallel transcription after recording. If you want to end it and save it instantly, use this icon on the right. Then to get rid of it, hit delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To keep it, you can name it at the top. And hit save. Now to play it, click on it and operate all of those options, like for example transcript. If you want to manage it more, use this pen at the top right corner. Trim it, for example. Hit save at the bottom right corner and decide if you wish to save it as a copy or just save it as the same file. By tapping on those three dots though, you can manage all of those options, like rename. But you can also access the same ones by holding your recording here. Then tapping on the delete button at the top right corner or selecting those three dots on the right to access the same pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!